Linking your bank account to Headspace can help streamline your payments and subscriptions. Follow these steps to set up the connection easily. Step 1. Open the Headspace app. Launch the Headspace app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you are logged in, go to your account settings. This can usually be found by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear in the app. Step 3. Select payment options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Add bank account. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account and enter your bank details as prompted, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account successfully. Now you are all set. Your bank account is linked to Headspace Care, making it easier to manage your subscriptions and payments.